What's up everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have finally received my little haul. I did order these items on the 3rd of May. They arrived today, which is 13th of June, so it's been pretty much almost 6 weeks, a month and a half. So in this package I've got pretty much an entire outfit from Essentials and Fear of God collaboration. Also should be Gucci shorts in that package too. So before we start, a little disclaimer: I do not condone or promote or encourage you to go and buy fakes. This is just for entertainment and educational purposes. So that's the package. I don't know if they managed to fit shorts, 2 shorts, joggers and hoodie. If you would like this content, make sure you subscribe, because why not? You're already here. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you won't miss any other videos. I have Balenciaga hoodie on the way as well from DHgate. If you want to see the quality, compare to the real deal, make sure you subscribe. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. As you can see, it looks like a rubbish bin. It is a rubbish bin, I think. Looking good so far. So let's open. Should I open the shorts? I'll probably leave it for another video. So let's focus on Essentials today. So that's the packaging. Comment down below, guys, if you know the packaging and the quality, and if anything even wrong with these items, what to look out for. So let's open the shorts. I picked up the biggest sizes I could find because I'm 6'5". I will also put these things on at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around until the end. And I also have a real hoodie, so I will make another video to compare the real Essential hoodie to the one from DHgate. It smells a little bit like glue. So that's the shorts. It's got a back pocket here. Made in China. Bodinong. I don't know. That's the shorts. I like this packaging. So here we've got the joggers. Rubber label stitched. You can see here. Essentials, Fear of God, Excel. So hopefully these are gonna fit. Yeah, these are reflective. Essential, Fear of God. As you can see, that's cool. Feels pretty good, not gonna lie. Made in China, extra large, 80% cotton and 20% polyester. Okay, now a hoodie. I love this packaging. It's really nice. It's got really nice feel to it. Essentials. Same quality as a joggers. Little pocket here. As you can see, it's nicely reflecting in the dark. That's a really cool detail. Extra large. Essentials, Fear of God. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty impressed. So what I paid for the hoodie cost me $27, which is 22 pounds. Then shorts. This shorts cost me 18 bucks, which is 15 pounds. And joggers, 26 pounds, 57 pence, which is 21 pounds. Pants cost me $26, which is approximately 21 pounds. So in total I paid for 4 items, 60 pounds. So minus 14 pounds of discount from DHgate. So 60 pounds, 4 items. That's a bargain. But yeah, guys, I'll put this on. Subscribe to the channel, and more coming. Hit the like if you liked the video, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Rio.